Here's another one, folks.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Anderson County and east central Kentucky, northwestern Mercer County and east central Kentucky, northeastern Nelson County and north